So like, you know Kawaii Future Bass, right? Okay, that's a stupid ass question. You know that one tutorial that's been beaten to death? Everyone has done a video on this. I don't know why. So instead of watching them, you can just watch me do a 50 times worse job. Obviously take whatever I say here with like a grain of salt, because I actually suck. You got this kick, and then you got this snare, pretty cute snare, and then hi-hat loop because I'm lazy and I can't actually make my own hats, and then also a percussion loop, white noise. So then here's the drums all together, I guess. Yeah, you need that. So I guess let's move on to the chords. I put those chords into a Serum, and I actually made this myself. It's just this. I automated the cutoff and the sub, even though I could have just done. I really do fucking hate myself, honestly. I also added a pluck in the build up, which it's just a virtual ride preset, because yeah, I'm lazy. And it's pretty basic. And also, don't forget just claps for absolutely no reason. I guess we're moving on to the drop. Basically, you got this Serum on its own, just the same as the build up, and I added this layer as well. It's just a random Miruku preset. Link in the description. Also, make sure your PC just dies with Serum. We got the bass. Basically, you got one thick bass, and then you got your sub bass. Does this block? It's literally the same virtual riot preset. You need a lot of reverb, like just a ton of reverb. I went back and added the chords into the same Serum as. Basically, it's just a bouncier pattern, if that makes sense. And same thing with the bass. It's just the same drop bass, sub bass, and a thick bass, basically. Make sure you get these slides for absolutely no reason. It just makes it sound cuter. It's literally the same thing, more claps for no reason. Basically, you get these build-up drums. I added a riser. I added a gross beat sidechain automation thing, and then also this frequency automation. You're gonna need these disgusting reverb samples. That's basically it. You know, let's just get on with this god-awful track. I don't know why I made this.